You guys have seen me use my STIHL GTA26 several times. This guy has been used a lot. Just got this for my birthday in June. This is a little STIHL chainsaw. Isn't that adorable? It is fun. It's light. It's lightweight. I have arthritis, and it does not hurt my hands to hold that baby. Isn't that cute? It's got a little battery. It's battery powered. A little battery back here. Don't think I can get it out with my one hand, but I brought down my oil because you got to lube your bar and your chain. Look at that. Isn't that cute? I think it's a 4-inch. I think that's a 4-inch bar with a super cute little chain on it. You unscrew this and it cleans out. I've been using this quite a bit. Look at this tiny little cover for it. Isn't this adorable? I today am just cutting down some pieces of birch to put in my crafting booth just as decor here and there. And also we want to work on our trail out here and get some of our branches cut that are up higher, that when you're in the tractor they get in the way and hang down. So I thought we would get this out in our new toy that we have to go with this. I guess you'd call it a toy or a tool, maybe. We actually purchased this back in the summertime. It is now fall. This is a steel extension that goes on the end of your GTA26 little chainsaw. It makes it into a pole saw, and it's very easy to use. I'm loving the ease of how this little saw works, and then their extensions and tools that they have make it very easy. So all you do is you stick it in like so. Maybe, there we go. Stick it in there like so, and then it has this little latch to hold it in like that. So it's in there nice and secure. You want to make sure you still oil your chain and bar. But then, let's see, let's turn it around so I'm right-handed here. It has the same safety button here and your trigger to make the chainsaw go. So you just push down on that and you pull it and it makes it go. Reach up very high with it. I'm going to cut some limbs off this pine tree here because they're sticking out, and again they're going to get in the way of us plowing, and you know, we don't want that, especially once the snow gets on them. It makes them a lot heavier and they hang down, get in your face and whatnot. So I'm just going to show you how this works. So as you can see, it can reach quite a ways, and it can get a lot of those higher up branches that you can't normally reach by hand. It also allows you to reach in if you've got a lot of bushes, a lot of sticks like this, and you want to get them cleared out. It allows you to reach in there without having to climb in there and get sticks in your face and all that. It's also good for getting Christmas trees out. This time of year, people are starting to think about whether they're going to go and cut a real tree or have a fake tree. So if you want a real one, you can be able to just slide this under the tree and cut that off down at the base right where you need it. So it comes in pretty darn handy.
I do want to touch on the pruning saw for a second. It does come in the kit with 1 battery. I recommend at least 2 to 3 batteries to go with your saw so that you get plenty of saw time. 1 battery lasts about 15 minutes or so, depending on how big the wood you are cutting is, and the bigger the wood, the less battery time you have. Charging a battery will take about 20 minutes or so, so if you have a second or even a third battery, you can work longer while one charges. So spring is on the way and gardening will begin soon. Cutting, walking, and 4-wheeler trails, or just maintenance around the yard for winter cleanup, this little saw will help quite a bit. The extension adds so much more to your tool arsenal at almost 5.5 extra feet. It's comfortable to use, and I love the noise isn't loud like a regular fuel-powered saw. I know when I'm mowing the lawn it is a pain to have low-hanging branches to go around or duck under. Not to mention plowing on a nice windy day when the snow is blowing and the tree limbs are just flapping in the breeze. Now with this extension, you can have a comfortable height on your trees and shrubs to walk under and around. I will have the links to the GTA26 pruning saw and the extension down in the description if you're interested. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing and follow along on our journey. If you found this video helpful or want to see more of our off-grid videos, check out this one on the screen. I know you'll love it.